Hello friends, day 93, and it's been a bit of a wet one today. Rained most of the day and quite windy along with it, but some quite nice paths, still on the Great Glen Way, much higher than I thought it would be. I'd expected it to go alongside Loch Ness. Well, it does, but it's about 1,500 feet up at times. So some quite nice paths through the woodland. And this evening I'm in a hotel again, just because I can. Probably only another day, maybe day and a half of the Great Glen Way, and then I turn south again. So see you on the trail.